Hello everyone, we are going to see about ternary operator. Ternary operators in JavaScript provides a compact way to write simple if-else statement. They are also known as conditional operator because they evaluate a condition and return one of two expressions depending on whether the condition is true or false. The basic syntax of a ternary operator is as follows. Now I will show you the ternary operator syntax. For that, first we want to give a condition and a question mark, and we want to give a expression 1 and a colon expression 2. Now I am going to break down of each part of a ternary operator. A condition, a boolean expression that is evaluated. If the condition is true, the expression 1 is returned, otherwise the expression 2 is returned. The expression 1 to be evaluated if the condition is true. Expression 2, the expression 2 to be evaluated if the condition is false. Now I am going to show you the example of ternary operator. For that, now I am going to give a const age equal to 24, const message equal to age is greater than or equal to 18, then question mark. I want to give a message that you are eligible to vote. Semicolon. Now I am going to give another message. You are not now I'll tell you what is this. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, if it is true, then it will give a message that you are eligible to vote. If age is not greater than 18, then it will give a message you are not eligible to vote. Now I will console log this message. Console log message. Now I will show you the output. See that you are eligible to vote. If I change the value of the age to 16, if I save, see now it was telling that you are not eligible to vote. Like this, we want to use ternary operator. The ternary operator are particularly used for assigning values to variables or as part of expression, where you need to make simple decision based on a condition. They provide a concise and readable way to implement conditional logic in a JavaScript code. However, they should be judiciously to maintain code readability and avoid excessive nesting. And next we are going to see about user input. How to get a user input. The user input in JavaScript allows interaction with users, enabling them to avoid data or making choice within web application. There are various methods of obtaining user input, including prompts, input field in HTML form, and event listener for handling user interactions such as clicks or key press. First, we are going to see using prompt dialogs. The prompt method displays a dialog box that prompts the user for input. They take an optional message to display to the user and returns the next text entered by the user as a string. Now I will show how to get a prompt message. For the first, I am going to create a const name equal to prompt enter your name. If I save, console log, if I save this, see we are getting a dialog box of prompt. If I now have given my name and if I click OK, see in the console I am getting my name as Sal. Like this, we want to use a prompt dialog box. The value entered by the user is stored in the variable name. Keep in mind that prompt dialog can disrupt the user name may not be suitable for all the use cases. Next, we are going to see about add event listener. The event listener can be used to listen for user interactions such as click, key press, or mouse movements. You can attach event listener to specific element in the DOM and execute code with the when the event occurs. For that, I am going to use HTML also. I am just going to show you a simple example button, and I am going to give a submit, and I am going to give an ID as submit btn. Now I am going to write a JavaScript for that. First, I am going to give a const submit btn equal to document. Here I am going to use a get element by ID. Submit btn. This submit btn is here for the button which I have given an ID as submit btn. That was the thing. We are using document.get element by ID btn. Next, submit btn dot add event listener. We are using an event listener for this submit button. And here I am going to use a click method. Click button is clickable, so that I am using click, and inside the add event listener we want to give a function also. If that event listener is done, what I want to do for that, I am using function user input equal to document dot get element by ID user input dot value. Next, I am going to console log user input user input. Now if I show save this, see if I press, now I will show you how it was worked. See if I press this button, it was telling the button is clicked. Like this the add event listener is working. If I press on the button, it was telling button is clicked. With this we are ending our video. Thank you.